What are the risks involved? As with any other type of investment, there are risks in buying and selling cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrency price can be volatile, and you may lose money if you invest without doing your research first. It is essential to understand the risks before investing in crypto. Cryptocurrency is a digital asset, and as such, it is subject to hacking and theft. There have been several hacks of wallets and crypto exchanges, so it's essential to take steps to secure your crypto. Crypto.com offers a secure wallet for storing your crypto, and we recommend using this or another type of wallet. Additionally, cryptocurrency is not regulated by governments or financial institutions. This means that there is no protection if something goes wrong. If you're thinking of investing in crypto, it's essential to do your research and understand the risks involved. However, if you're comfortable with the risks, buying and selling cryptocurrency can be a great way to make money. Remember to always do your research before investing and keep your crypto safe and secure.